I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
Alright guys, welcome to day 2 of Mod Week. I've got some explaining to do. I got some pretty big explaining to do. You guys pretty angry with me? I would say you're pretty angry with me. I'd say you're pretty angry with me. Because this live stream was supposed to start an hour and a half ago. But somehow, I don't know how, I slept through my alarms. Because basically I put on like a billion alarms because I'm that type of person. I pull on a billion alarms like that type of person. Now, I'm not trying to make, I'm not trying to, there's no way I can make up for this at all. It's my fault, I missed, the start time of this live stream. And I really do feel bad. Because I was really looking forward to actually developing the mod I had planned today. However, if you see above, we're actually going to have to do something a little bit more different, just because the one, if we're going to develop the other one, if we started at the right time, it would have been fine. But because we're starting so late now, I don't want this live stream to extend too far into my afternoon, because I actually do need to record some videos, especially the one from yesterday, which I didn't actually get an opportunity to do. So, but yeah, basically, I slept in through my alarms, and yeah, I don't know. I think I was tired or something. I don't know what was going on, but I was dead. But I do have an interesting story that did come out of it, and it's still fresh in my mind right now. I actually had a dream. I had a dream that I would get all the cheese in the world. Not really.
You are a sleepy crayfish.
Oh my god, Fabby50. Yeah, you're mean. But cheers for the super chat, dude. Hey guys, what's up, Coffee, the Curator, Rainbow Kappa, Blue Barracuda, Luke, Minecraft Doodler. Let's have a look at your guys' names in here. I'm going to shout a bunch of you guys out. I'm sorry. I'm going to shout a bunch of your guys' names out right now. Who we got in here? Danny, Nico, Omar, Doggy Loop. We got Play Dash Gaming, Billy Plays. Who else we got that I haven't read out? Shock Insanity, Fallen Dreamers, Haunted Corpse, Diddy, Dakota, Jake, Her Java, Diddy again, The Hypes Plays, G Wiggy, Jake Crowley, what up dude, Crazy Craft 41, SB Joes, Dr. Michael, Sour Candy, Jacob, Dreadlord Gaming, what up dudes? How's everybody going? I'm sorry about this delayed start. I was just really, I don't know, there's no excuse. There's no excuse. But we're here now. We're here now, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and get this started straight away. Now we're gonna go ahead. And I'm still on the little view here, but I guess let's have a little bit of a story, because it's still fresh in my mind. I'm only gonna remember it right now. But have any of you guys seen the series called Black Mirror? Because I had a dream. Okay. Like literally a dream when you're sleeping type thing. I had a dream. Have you guys seen the series Black Mirror? And have you seen, I forgot what episode, I forgot what it's called, but it's the one with the robotic dog in it. The robotic dogs. For the people that don't know, basically there's just this episode where it has this really advanced kind of robotic dog that is like killing humans. It sounds weird, but that's basically what happens. But basically, I had a dream about that I was getting chased. I had a dream about that, and every single year there would be this kind of cull almost, where a dog would go to your house and you'd have to hide as good as you can, otherwise you'd get found and killed. I remember literally I was like in my room, this room right here. I'm not gonna lie, it's a nightmare. I would say more of a nightmare, but it's a dream. I don't know. It's a nightmare as well. But I was literally in this room, right, and I was like hiding. I know you guys can't really see it, but I got like a clothes rack over there. I've got some boxes. I was literally like covering myself over in that corner, hoping it wouldn't find me. Like, it was weird. And then I remember like I survived it and waking up in like one of my friends lost their brother, and like they were like crying and that type of shit. And I remember like even like hugging them, and like I could feel like the hug, and it was weird. It was really weird. And then there was this one time as well. Like, this is weird. Like, and we like dreams are really weird to tell people because they're just like they're just really weird. They're just really weird. Did I say? Did I just swear? Sorry. You was lucid dreaming? I don't know if that's lucid dreaming, because like lucid dreaming you can control it a lot better. I don't know. I don't think I was lucid dreaming. Because like lucid dreaming you can actually control, and I haven't never done that before. Like, I never felt like I've been in control of my dreams. Cray, was there a power outage? No, it was just me sleeping in super duper late. Also, yeah, I got some updates for you guys. Sponsors, you now have a different icon for your name, because basically what I did is actually remade all of the emoji. So if you go to your emoji right now, you'll see some pretty dope emoji in there. I've changed the cheese and crackers around to actually separate crackers and separate cheese icons. We've got thumbs up icons. Really, really dope. Now, if you guys didn't catch day 1 of Mod Week, what we're going to do right now is actually check it out real quickly. I thought that might be a cool idea, just to show you guys, you know, what we actually did. Now, I did actually create some fixes for this, so if you guys didn't oh no, if you guys were here yesterday, you'll notice this now, because there's a bunch of fixes for it now that makes it a whole lot better. We need YouTube sponsor gifting similar to Twitch. Yeah, that would be really good. I don't know why, like, YouTube's really holding back on investing new features into the subscription platform. I think it really should, because I use it all the time. And alright, so here we go. So we're loading up the game right now. Hold on, we gotta switch over. I think that's okay. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to take off studio mode. I put on studio mode on OBS. Oopsie, there we go. Sorry. Put on studio mode on OBS, and it just so I can see the next scene before I actually transition to it. I dislike you because you swore. I'm sorry. I'm tired. I didn't mean to. If I swore, I'm sorry, guys. Sometimes it slips on live streams because, like, obviously I can't edit a live stream out. I try not to swear at all on my channel. I didn't even realize I swore it as well. Alright, so basically, let's just get rid of these. But basically, if you go ahead and press P now, you can actually point at things. Now, it looks a bit weird. Why is there like a little thing? But like, if you actually go like this, yeah, you're coming with me. My favorite scene from Shrek. Yeah, you're coming with me. So basically, you can point at things now, and that little kind of bowl that you see is what you're actually pointing at. So if you're on a multiplayer server, right? You're on a multiplayer server, people can see what you're actually pointing at. So maybe you want to notify somebody that, you know, the diamond's in the chest over here, or, you know, hey dude, there's carrots on this farm over here. There's carrots on this farm over here. They can actually see, you know, what you're actually pointing at. Now, I was thinking about changing how you actually do point at things, because, like, you know, if you point over there, right, you can't really see, like, what I'm exactly pointing at. I might think about changing that actual kind of whole, you know, how do you actually see where they're pointing at, display type thing. thumbnail says vehicle mods. Yeah, I need to fix that up. Don't worry. It's because like I literally had to change it last second. But yeah, that was day 1 of mod week, and today we're going to get into day 2, which is going to be a clock mod. Sounds weird, but it's just going to be a simple mod today. Now, I do want to get a quick coffee, otherwise, I mean, that's probably why I swore. That's probably why I swore I didn't have a coffee yet. Did you just move, or is it just a different angle? What do you mean? It might be, I don't know. I don't think I feel like I did. I don't have a different angle. So yeah, it's a pretty simple mod. I think we took like 4 hours to create it though, which is more than I expected, but I think we got hung up on a couple of things in it, but oh well. Alright, so we're going to go ahead now and... I'm just going to... Oh, it's better. I still got like, you know, that you wake up and you got like crusty eyes. That's me right now. There's an imposter Cray in the chat before the stream. Was there really? My god. Someone would actually do that. How do I do emojis on iPhone 6? If you're looking for the custom emojis, they're not a thing. Because they're just exclusive to sponsors. Now, I was going to do a thing. Like, I was really looking forward to this because I had a really cool thing for today. And, like, I don't want to start it now. I think I'll start it tomorrow. But, basically, I've got... basically a while ago, I went to this 90s party for a friend's 21st, and for that, I actually, 4 of us dressed up as the Teletubbies. The Teletubbies, if you guys know that, and I've actually still got the costume there, and I was thinking, you know, if we actually, you know, got, I don't know what my goal was. I think it was if we got $50 in total of donations, so that could be any sort of donation, any sort of sponsor, anything that equals up to $50, I would actually have to put on that thing for the rest of the live stream and do a dance in it or something like that on live stream. I think that would be funny. I think that would, I don't know, I think it would make up for being late, because you guys would get like this really, you'd be able to clip it, and it'd be this really funny dance of me just in this suit, and then my dad would walk in and he'd be like, you're not my son anymore, and I'd be like, I don't care, I'm entertaining the live stream. So I got that suit there, so maybe I won't put it the bar as high, so maybe not $50, but let's say if we get $30 in total today of donations, I will I'll put that suit on. It's not gonna be good, I'll tell you right now, this is not gonna be good. Alright, so let's switch back to this view here, and what we're going to do is get a start to this clock mod. So we're going to go create, I think, I didn't commit anything. Alright, we'll just do remove comment here. Come on, mods season 2. Now, I also did publish this on GitHub, so you guys can actually go ahead and download it now. I'm just going to go ahead, get music on. Music. Alright, there we go, guys. Music is on. Woo! You know that means it's starting off right now. Let's go... whatever. Get out of here. Or is that an actual... pointing mod? Let's go master branch. And then let's go new branch and call this clock mod. You know the stream's starting. Why does the thumbnail say vehicle mod? I've got to fix it up. It's because like I changed the idea last minute, because if you guys don't know, I started late. If you just joined, I started late. And basically I didn't want to stream too late, because I know the vehicle mod is going to be something that takes probably like 4 or 5 hours. So I don't want to spend 4 or 5 hours now, because it cuts into my recording time. And I actually didn't get an opportunity yesterday I didn't get an opportunity yesterday to record the pointing mod video, and I have like another one I need to, another video, not a mod week video, but another type of recording I need to record too. Is that music too loud for you guys? I don't know why it's super loud. Is that music loud for you guys? Is it loud? Yes? Why is it loud? Why is it loud? Music! Alright, what about now? What about now? What about now? Some guy's like, I want it loud. I want my ears to burn. Louder is better. I love that burning. I love that burning feeling when the music's so loud. Like what? King Yoshi told me he sent you a message out the moderator thing. I don't know if he pressed his message you, but he said, "Oh, I think he did. I haven't read it properly yet. If he only sent it today, then yeah, I haven't read it properly. Louder is better." So what mod am I working on? I'm working on a clock mod. You might want to just refresh the stream if you guys haven't got an updated title. So we're basically working on a clock mod. Alright, so let's close all. And I'm lucky that I've actually got a template for this straight up. Now, I do actually want to get a cup of Java real quickly, guys. So a cup of coffee, if you don't know what that is. Cup of Java is what I like to call it. So I'm going to be back in like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, I hope. Before we actually start this off. But yeah, if you guys didn't hear me before, basically what I'm going to do is if we get $30 of donations. I was 50 before. I bumped it down to 30 because you know, I was late and that type of stuff. But if we get up to $30 of donations for today, I'm gonna, I mean super chats, sorry, super chats. I'm actually going to, let me restart the session here. So that should have restarted it. Hold up. Just start it again. Alright. So if I actually get to $30, I'm gonna put on a Teletubby suit. I'll grab it right now for you guys. Hold up, let me grab it right now. All right, you guys can still hear me, can't you? I mean, this is not the whole thing, but this is not the whole thing, but this is one of it. This is one of the things. This is what it would look like. All right. Mud week! Yeah! It is Wednesday, my dudes! That's it. That's all you get. That's all you get for now. That's all you get for now. So yeah, if we get $30, I'll put the whole suit on and I'll wear it for the rest of a live stream. Of the live stream. What was that noise, Cray? It wasn't noise, alright? But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get me a cup of Java. You guys hold tight. You guys hold tight. I'll keep updated on, you know, donations and that type of stuff. I'll total it out. So, yeah, basically if you super chat, I'm going to go ahead and $30. Once we get up to total of $30, then I'll put it on. But I'm going to get my cup of Java now. Be right back, guys. I'm still here.
I love your streams.
Hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Hashtag sneaky cheese hype. Cheese, 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 cheese.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in the dark. Set my heart on fire.
Whoops! I'm back now, sorry. Wow, derpy crayfish for real right there. Look at me. I was drinking my derpy cup. Derpy cup for derpy crayfish. My god. Clocks are already in Minecraft though. Yeah, I know, but I'm thinking of more like a wall clock. A wall clock, I know. Like, it was like a last minute idea. I don't know. Do we make it? Yeah. Like an actual kind of working real clock that actually has hours and minutes on it. Not like, you know, can I see if it's daylight or is it nighttime type thing. Any notable features to the clock mod that differ from other clock mods? Not really. Not really. I had to like create something. I don't know. We can change the idea around very, very quickly if we want. Like, but I'm just gonna be able to find the idea straight away, pretty much. I really guess it's gonna be like a small, a small mod, cause I just can't do any big mod at the moment. Let's have a look. No, let's not do that one. People are saying unicorn mod. They don't exist. No clocks. Bubble heads mod. I was actually thinking of creating like a giant heads mod. A giant head mod. But I don't know. That'd be too easy. Just having a look real quickly on actual like I'm looking on the Mod Week 2 suggestions. Because, you know, you guys know I had a mod planned for today. I had a mod planned, but because I started late, then pretty much that kind of scrapped that idea. It didn't scrap it. I'm going to do it tomorrow now. But it would have been too much. I would have been, you know, it would have been like dinner time by the time I finished. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, guns, maybe cars, bikes that fly. Oh my god. Snowball fighting mod. Like button and post notification breaker. Cray, make a digital clock, please. Yeah, like we could do something like that, like a digital clock. Would you guys want to see a digital clock? A digital clock, and if you're in creative mode, you can actually right click it. Oh no, if you're OP permissions, you can right click it to change to night and day. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, don't worry about the thumbnail. The thumbnail's wrong. I can't change it around now because I'm like mid live stream. But yeah, it could be like a digital clock. Alright, let's do that then. We'll still call it the clock mod. The clock mod. Don't remove one letter. And then we'll call it, oopsie, clock mod, and then we'll just do clock mod is the ID, nothing special. And then let's fix up the mod ID here, clock mod, clock, oh god, $5. Alright, let's have a look. How much we got so far? Because I saw so many guys. Oh, okay, here we go. Shout out to Fabi50. And shout out to Plash Day Gaming for the super chats while I was away.
You're awesome. Sorry I'm late.
And then a big shout out right now to Master Chief. So you're awesome. Sorry I'm late, dude. Master Chief, don't worry, dude. Don't worry, dude. I'm late. you wouldn't believe it, but we only started 20 minutes ago. And if you go really watch the stream, Master Chief, you'll hear why I was late. And you'll hear a kind of a cool story. Based off of Black Mirror that I had a nightmare about. Wasn't really the nicest dreams, but like, you know, you'll wake up in like, I don't know, like, okay, do you guys know what the difference between lucid dreaming is and just normal dreaming? Because when like I was having the dream, right, I don't know, like, I feel like dreams, like, I don't think it's lucid dreams, but any dreams in general, you can control when you have a lucid dream. You know, I didn't have a lucid dream. But like I had such, I think dreams are like weird because they give you real feelings. And like even, I don't know, like even when I hugged somebody, I felt that. Like I felt the actual physical feeling of it. But like it wasn't a lucid dream. I just remember like I could feel like somebody, like the feeling of someone putting their arms around the back of me. But yeah, it's weird. Yeah, so I'm still, like, if you guys are wondering where the download for yesterday's mod is IntelliJ not responding? Is this a first? I'm gonna have to uninstall this and put Eclipse back on. No, there we go. It actually froze there for a second. But yeah, if anybody has any answers to my dream issue, in Lucid you can tell you're dreaming controller. Okay, yeah, no, definitely wasn't Lucid. Because I've heard of Lucid, I'm like, damn, that would be pretty amazing. I've heard, like, there's scary stories about lucid dreaming, though, that you can't, like, wake up. I mean, you can wake up, obviously. But you're, like, I don't know. Things can go scary, basically. Because, like, you can dream of cool things, but then you can dream of bad things. And, like, the bad things is where it gets, like, crazy bad. Like, it can be really bad. Because imagine if you dreamt of some guy about to stab you, for instance. You know, some guy pops in your door and stabs you. You're gonna, like, feel that feeling, and it's gonna feel so realistic. Like, how weird is it, like, I mean, dreaming or lucid dreaming is, like, the closest... is, like, pretty much, you know, the closest you can get to having your own kind of imaginary world that is actually realistic. It's like VR. It's like VR, pretty much. But anything could happen. Time traveling in the clock mod. I don't know if that would be possible, because it's like, it sounds like a simple thing, but it's really not. Because how do you save 2 copies of the world? Almost. You have to save 2 copies of the world. Also, like, think about it. If you think about how time traveling actually works, if you actually affect the past, it will be in the future, and that's just, it's too hard. The old falling off the cliff dream. Yeah, I've had those type ones. I've had ones where it's just, they're not actually like dreams. They're like before you actually go to sleep dreams. Like I've had the, like, you're just running and you trip over on something, and then you're running in your dream, you trip and fall over, then you're just like, whoa, wake up instantly. But my god, this like Black Mirror inspired dream was probably one of, I wouldn't say it was scary, but one of like the creepiest ones I've had, because it felt like, you know, because these things like literally just kill. And like as well, like, okay, this is the twist on it, right, though. This is the twist on it. I haven't explained my full story yet, guys. I'm going to go ahead and open up my model creator while we're at this. This is the twist, though, guys. Pretty much, these dogs, right, were actually controlled by gamers. Like, this was, like, a fun thing. Like, I guess you could say, like, we were, like, poor people. We were the poor people. Like, we weren't poor. We had a house. But like, I guess you could say, we could assume we're like the poor people, and like these gamers just for fun, controlling these dogs once a year to kill people and try and find them. Yeah, some people do have dreams about actually waking up, and like lucid dreams, so they think they're awake, and they actually do like their daily, routine. Like, legit do it, and then they wake up again and they're like, what? It's like Inception. Oh man, if I had lucid dreamed that'd be weird. Imagine I started mod week, I started day 2 of mod week in my dream, and then like, I woke up and I was still in bed. I'm like, what? Didn't I just start this? Oh crap, live stream's going. Oh wait, no it's not. I had a dream Minecraft, it was night and someone was controlling me and it was you. Then I woke up. Is that true? Is that true, dude? The crayfish family, the crustacean family tree, pretty much. We got Mr. Krabs, we got Shrimpy, and we got Cheese. Thank you for posting that family tree, Red Gaming Star. Appreciate it. Appreciate you there. Alright, so what we're going to do is create a digital clock model now. Digital clock. Now, is there any like... I guess so. They're not like super duper crazy. We should be able to make it so it can configure the color of the text. I think that would be cool. Configure the color of the text would be a cool idea. Now, we could make this like a basic model, but how basic do we want to go? Because digital clocks now can be like, I don't know how, but like digital clocks were just like massive back in the day. But like, I swear digital clocks literally only need to be like, alright, so let's take that down to 0.5. So that could be like frame bottom. Let's rename this frame bottom. Different color clocks. Should we have different color clocks, or should we have different... Okay, let's do that as well. Different color clocks and different color text that you can change it around to. Whoops, okay, duplicate that. Frame. I'm hoping this doesn't take too long. I'm estimating probably like, I wonder how much I can get done in an hour. That's only 3 pixels up. Okay, so let's just position. Trying to think what position it's gonna be in. Alright, I'm gonna put it there. Actually here. frame top, and then what we're going to do is create another one, start from here. Maybe that's too long. Alright, so it's like a really kind of, it's just a small digital clock. Frame back. Let's do another element here. We'll just create a brand new one just because it's easier. But I just can't stop thinking about it. I mean, it was an interesting dream, but it was like weird. It was scary. Look at my previous message. Do you need me to do the pack thing again tonight? Yeah, Master Chief, that would be awesome if you get that going, because we're gonna play with this mod after the live stream. Probably won't be for long, but we'll have the pointing mod on that as well. We might actually update the pointing mod as well. So Master Chief, I'll get you an updated version of the pointing mod that has a lot of fixes to it. Which make it a lot better. So if you guys want to be a part of that action, become a sponsor, because we're going to be playing on it on the sponsor server. And if you guys do become a sponsor, make sure you link up your account to Discord. There's an invite link to the Mr. Crayfish Discord below. So once you actually become a sponsor, link your Discord account up to YouTube Gaming, and then you should show up in this list here. Once you're in that list, you can actually go over to this whitelisting channel here, enter in your Minecraft username, and then you'll be actually whitelisted onto the server. And here is the IP for the server as well. Obviously you guys can't join it, you have to be whitelisted. So if you guys are trying to enter that in right now, you're not going to have a good time. But there we go. But yeah, as well, if you guys just joined, hold up, what I was going to do is actually, hold on, what I want to do real quickly, just so people know what's going on. Hold up, let's see if I can do this real quickly, guys. Hold up. I'm going to go to Stream Labs real quickly, guys. Hold up a second. Let's go ahead and just frame left. Alright, I'm signing in at like 2 places at the same time. Position, move that over to here. Alright, what texture should we do it? I was thinking about going for more like a traditional modern look to it, so I was thinking like quartz or something. Oh no, we have, I think it's concrete white. That look good? Wait, what's that? Oh, that's that thing. Is that the same for the other side? It is. What the? Alright, there we go. Say a white clock. And then have like a black frame. Can't wait for this mod. What happened to Minecraft the device mod? That feature was really cool. It's still being worked on. I just disabled it for now because it's unfinished, and even if you got access to it, it's not going to do anything. So, kind of don't want to do that. Goals. Let's go ahead. Let's have a look. Alright, so how much have we got so far, guys? How much have we got so far in terms of money? So $5, $2, and 20 sec. What's sec? 20 sec to USD. 2.5. Okay. So we're up to $9.50. $8.50. $8.50, yeah. Date end after 31st. And the first 18. Oopsie, 0. Oh, whoopsie. 0, 1. 31st. Let's have a look at this real quickly. Alright, we need to fix up some things on this. Settings, layout. Alright, save settings. Alright, copy that. Okay, here we go. Oopsie, what's this doing? Alright, there we go. Let's put that over here for now. Alright, there we go. We're up to 8.5 out of $30. I put on Teletubby suit at $30, guys, for the rest of the live stream. I put it on. Let's go concrete. Concrete black. Yeah, that's nice. I like that we actually got some pretty solid textures. Oopsie. We got some solid textures in image black. Copy paste. Frame. Right. How long does the sponsor last? So sponsors last for a month. I really want to feel that bar, Master Chief. Here's the mask. Here's the mask. I've already put it on for a little bit. It looks kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie. My god, what are my parents gonna think when they get home? I do not know. And these screens also have to have a black thing here. So, we might actually do a different one. Maybe we'll do... What should the back be? Maybe it would be like anvil base. Might be a good one to do. So we can actually just change the back frame and change the south face to be import anvil base. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Feels like make it more high res if we wanted to. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys think it's good or not? I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like it should be like a... Let's just improve it very slightly here. So we do something like this instead. Which looks a little bit better. Then duplicate this, frame back to. The clock is great. I came in on the right time. You haven't come in the right time. We haven't got that. We haven't got that thing. We need to fix up the UV. Oops. Alright, let's go size, has to be 0.5. 3.5. Oh, what was that? What was that? Was that oh, it's a subscriber. Oh, the cracker made it in! The cracker made it in! Alright, let's go ahead. Position over like this. And let's go up. Oh, you can't see that face anyway, so let's turn off the south face. And let's duplicate that. Frame back to. Oh, we could do this as well. Oh my god, I got a good idea. I got a good idea. Obviously not 4. Alright, so pretty cool so far. But let's take this to even the next level. Frame. Detail 1. Alright, let's reduce this size. Alright, let's do this. So fix up this. Alright, and then we go blue axis. Ooh, ooh, kill it. Ooh. Ooh, what do you guys think? Oh, that looks sick. That looks sick. What do you guys think about that? Hopefully it's lined up. Looks lined up. Awesome. That's definitely cool. Alright, we go frame, detail 2. Rotation point, origin, come over here. Rotate you the other way. Then position. Boom. The tingles. Skia. Pop, 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 pop. Frame, detail 3. What was this? Damn, that looking fresh. That was looking fresh, guys. And then we do frame, detail, whoops, frame detail 4. Because I want to do a cool model, I'm not going to do a half job. I never do half jobs. Add buttons. Ah, that'd be a good idea too. Cheers there for the super chat, dude. Hopefully that thing goes up. I'm not sure if it, I'm pretty sure super chats count towards the actual target thing. I'm pretty sure it does. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, I don't know. Does that thing go up? Did it go up? Did it not go up? No! Hold up, maybe it needs to refresh. It's stuck on like that. Imagine that. It's just stuck. Okay, that's something that needs to be... Let me know if it goes up. Maybe it doesn't up. It should like update pretty much instantly. My go. Manage go. Ah, I can't change it around. I can't change it around, guys. No! It's stuck on 8.5. It doesn't have to be a single $30 donation. I'm doing a total of $30. I think it only works for the donation link in the description below, which is a little bit annoying. So I guess it only works for the one below. I can only be for 2 minutes because I have school tomorrow and I want to play Minecraft beta. You want to play Minecraft beta? Yeah, we gotta fix that up. That's not updating. Maybe we can just update it manually. Oh no, there we go. Hold up, I can just quickly change it around. Hey, there we go. I can just quickly change it around. I'll just add up the totals manually. I know, not a good way to do it, but, you know. It works. Oh, they're looking fresh. They're looking fresh there, dudes. Could even do that just to give it a little bit more of an edge. I'm gonna do that just to even it out a little bit. Oops. Alright, there we go, that's cool. Alright, what do you guys think? Cool clock? Cool clock or not? Cool clock or not? Fresh. Cray, expand the detail pieces. Oh yeah, we forgot buttons. Whoops. Someone said buttons, so position. Alright, let's go for 4. Maybe like 3. I don't know what the buttons would be, they're just detail. Ba, 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 ba. And the button color will be this, apply, copy, paste. And we'll say button 1. What was that? Oh, subscriber. Cheers for subscribing, dude. I forgot who that was. Who was it? Werewolf 24. Oh. Austin Kelly. Everybody, if you have not already, turn on post notifications. You guys heard it right here. Let's go ahead. Let's do a little cheese hype right now. Let's do a cheese hype right now, guys. So if you guys are enjoying this stream so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now. Snap it right in half.
Not already, turn on post notifications.
Let's update this goal real quickly. Ka-ching. Go ahead, snap that like button, and let's go ahead. Let's do a cheese hype right now. So if you guys don't know what a cheese hype is, it's very simple. All you have to do is type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat, and then post a bunch of cheese emojis along with it. I expect you sponsors to use the new emojis that I got in place for you guys. So you should see the actual crackers emoji, and then also the new cheese emoji. So let's go ahead. Let's do this cheese hype in 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! Boom! The tingles. Skier. Oh my god, cheese hype literally going off right now. Cheese hype literally going off right now. This is an insane cheese hype. This is insane cheese hype. Someone did fire. Someone did the lit icon. The lit icon does not count. The lit icon does not count. I love these new icons though, with the crackers and the cheese. I reckon I should change around my cheese icon because it looks very similar to the YouTube one. Cheese hype! Yeah! Alright, so there's some buttons. Maybe we'll do another button, right? We'll do another button. Button 3. The cheese hype is literally going off. The cheese hype, let's just do 24/7 cheese hype. 24/7 cheese hype. Just keep it rolling in, you guys. Just keep it rolling in the cheese hype right now. And this button 1, right, what we're gonna do. The cheese hype. Keep the cheese hype going! Cheese hype, continue it. Continue it. We'll have one that's like red. It's like the sleep. It's the it's ironic. We're making an alarm. We're basically making a clock alarm mod. And I slept in and slept past my alarm. The cheese hype just keeps going off. Keep the cheese hype rolling in, dudes. Cheese hype, just keep it going. Keep it going. I'm gonna help. I'm gonna help out here. The cheese hype is real right now. But we've only got $14.5 left before I put on the Teletubby suit. If you guys haven't seen that already, here it is. I mean, this is the head. There's actual suit. There's an actual suit, and I might do a dance as well. Alright, so there's our clock. I like it. What do you guys think? Looks pretty cool. Let's file, export JSON. Documents. Oh, I got another $5. Dang it, Austin Kelly. We're getting so close to it. Oh, God. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's put that onto it. Alright, there we go. Cheers for the super chat there, Austin Kelly. I appreciate you. Do you need a mod for the stream chat? It seems to be all fine for the moment. I haven't seen anything crazy. I've been looking at the chat quite a lot, so pretty good so far. But I'll let you know if I do really need one. We're gonna do assets. Whoops. Get rid of that. Whoops, no, up one. I can't delete it. This is the clock mod. Whoops, if I can spell it. I can't rename it. Are you serious? Clock mod, models, block, and then also item. And then we'll just say digital clock. Alright, so that should all that we need. Alright, let's go ahead, let's start this off now. I'm not going to waste my time. Let's go ahead, let's copy some code out that I've got. Because if we're wasting our time, basically if we're rewriting basic stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and copy some code out here, which is going to speed up our process a lot. So new package, initialize, paste that in. Okay. Alright, ignore half of this stuff. Digital clock. Ignore that for now. Alright, cool. That should be fine. And device registration. Let's import. Whoops, no, import. Alright, it's just. Oh, we gotta remove that before we can do it. Import class, boom. Get rid of the logger. Oh, another $5. Oh. Ask if I can put a download for your. Well, 24. Ask if you can put a download for your mansion. Actually, I think there is a few others wanting it. Now, there is actually the original mansion. However, what I was thinking about doing is
Werewolf24 asks if you could put a download for your mansion. Actually, I think there are a few others wanting one.
I was thinking about doing a Is that in here? There's an item. I was thinking about doing a let's create this package. I was thinking about doing a building tutorial on it because I feel like that would be a good way, because there is actually like a download to the original mansion, but it's outdated, and I don't want to just like give out a download for my actual world. I mean, I might do a tutorial on it. I might do. What do you guys think? A tutorial or a download? Because like a tutorial would be a little bit, like, in my eyes, a tutorial is a little bit better because then you could actually build it in like a server or something like that. Whereas if you get like a download, you can check it out, but then you can't, you know, put it in the server or something like that. So, yeah. I'll do a tutorial, I reckon. That's what I feel like I should do. Alright, pop that in there. We need to create a new Java class, item. I'm just trying to figure out. How do I... Oh, let's see, here we go. Okay. Extends item block, implements sub items. Alright, and then this is set max stacks. How did I do it? I have to copy that there. Whoops. So do we want different types of clocks? Different colored clocks? Do we want different colored clocks, guys? Because I can do it. I can do it. Yes. Oh wait, hold up. I forgot to put that $5 onto the thing. Hold up. Let me put that $5 on. Just so you guys aren't misled in any way. So, $4.50 left. $4.50 left till I have to put on the Teletubby suit. Great. Great. Look what you guys are doing to me. Look what you guys are doing to me. This is unfair. I've never seen anything more unfair. Okay, block, digital, clock. Extends, block. No. Material dot stone rock. Austin, Kelly, what are you doing? Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Ah! Can we get some hype right now, guys? Can we get some hype right now? I'm gonna put on this suit. I'm not, yeah, I'll put it on. It just sometimes gets hot. Sometimes gets hot, so I gotta be careful of that so I don't die. Alright, let's put this on right now. Let's go this view. Take off my headphones and start putting it on. I might not be able to put it fully on because it actually requires 2 people to zip it up at the back, so I'll do the best I can. I'll do the best I can. Yes, see me? Hey. So this is it here. This is the big suit. Oh god. What am I doing? Why am I doing this for you? For the viewers. For the entertainment. It's for the Teletubbies. I knew this thing would come in use later in life. See, like, I can't zip it up at the back. That's what it looks like at the back. We need to get some hype right now. Hype! Can we get some hype? Can we get some hype right now, guys? Right, I need to fix up my, don't spam in the chat, Bloxy, I see you there. Don't spam in the chat. I told you yesterday. Alright, I'm just fixing up my costume, so it's kind of wrong at the moment. That's how it's supposed to be. Alright, here we go. Hey! What's going on, dudes? I feel normal. I feel normal. I feel normal right now. I feel normal. Let's switch back to this view. Oh god, I can't. Hold up. I need to readjust the suit because I can't sit down. Like, this is kind of annoying because it's like not. Hey! I'm Crayfish. Mod week. This is mod week for you. Can we get a rating out of 10? Can we get a dance? You guys want to dance? You want to dance? Cray smile. Someone's screenshotting it right now. Cray, put it all in your medias with a picture of you wearing it. You guys are gonna do that. I'll retweet any. I'll retweet any if you guys get a picture. Hold up. But you can't see this thing. Whoa, okay. Let's not do that. Okay. I am, what's his name? Usain Bolt. Should I dab? Real talk, should I dab? Should I dab right now, guys? I don't know if I should dab or not. What do you guys think? Should I dab? This is the Teletubby suit. This is the Teletubby suit. We got 30 bucks. We got 30 bucks, so we had to put this on. Cray, dabbing is not a thing. Yeah, what is dabbing? I don't know. No, Cray. For the cringe, though. Should I dad? Whoopsie, not the intro. Wait, what would be the best way to do it? I'm just figuring out. For the cringe. For the cringe. Like, I'm only doing it for the. Oh no, I don't. I promised myself I'd never dab again in 2018. I promised myself. This thing's annoying because it doesn't. I haven't zipped it up. All right, you guys see my hands? Like, I can't actually bring them out. Ah! But yeah, there you go. I'm 30. It's Wednesday, my dudes. No, it's not. Is it? It is Tuesday, my dudes. Yeet! Whoa, shit. Okay, I just swore. Sorry. I went back too far in my chair and I thought I was gonna fall off. Oh god. Whoops. You didn't hear that. You didn't hear that. Check Twitter. Oh my god. Alright, hold up. Retweeting it right now. I retweeted it, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, let's get back into this. This is gonna get hot quickly, I can tell. This thing is gonna get hot real quickly. Alright, mod week. We're doing it. We should make a Teletubby mod now. A Teletubby mod now. A Teletubby suit mod. That would have been the best. My god. We should have done that. Teletubby suit mod. Why didn't you guys tell me to do that? Look at me drinking Java. What's this thing doing? Hey, get off the mic. Ah, hey, get off the mic. Hey, you listen to me, right, head thing? Don't touch my mic, alright? Don't touch my mic. That mic can't be touched. Alright. Sorry, new people, if you joined. We hit the $30 goal, which means we have to put on Yeah, Teletubby suit. Unfortunately, things have come down to this. But if you guys, you know, don't stop them rolling in. If you guys want to play with this mod after we complete it, become a sponsor, because we're actually going to be putting it onto the sponsor server, where you're going to be able to play with me on, you know, the official sponsor server. It's going to be multiplayer. We're going to have this mod on it. We're going to play around with it. Alright, so we've done that. Device blocks. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this? What's wrong with it? Imports. Get away imports. There we go. Registration handler. Import sub items. Boom. Done. There we go. What's wrong down here? Get rid of that. Don't need that either. Initialize. Where's that get called? Let's call that in here. I think it's registration. I think that's where it's get called. That's where it should get called from. Let's double check that. Yep. Okay. Good. All right. So I'm gonna green it as pre-init. Pre-init. How do you become a sponsor? So there should be like a button above the chat, or if you actually go to my YouTube gaming account, you should find a sponsor button there. It's so annoying that it's not like clear. It's not clear because nobody ever watches live streams on YouTube gaming. So yeah, become a sponsor. You get to join me on the server afterwards when we actually play this mod. Make sure you guys download the Twitch app as well. So this app here, download this Twitch app, and also make sure you join the Mr. Crayfish Discord. There is a link in the invite link in the description, and link as well your account up to YouTube Gaming, and then you'll get access to this whitelisting channel where you can actually enter in your username. Easy as that. Crayfish live streaming himself playing GTA 5. His tentacle looks like, ew, I can't say it. It looks like, ah god, whoops, rip mic. Rip mic. I don't think it looks like a tentacle. It looks like a, I don't know. I don't know what it looks like. It looks weird though. I'll tell you right now. It looks weird. Alright, let's fix up these mistakes that I made. I made so many mistakes. I made the mistake. You got nowhere to run. And that goes on. It's not fading away. I think of his life. I just wanna scream. How can this happen to me? Oopsie. Alright, directory, assets, clock, mod, block states. I think that's how it goes. I keep hitting the mic. You guys can probably hear that. I just wanna scream. What song should I sing? What song should I sing? Teletubby, Mr. Crayfish Discord. What's going on? I'll just double check, just so we haven't got any spam, otherwise I'm banning. It's the same guy from yesterday, rip, ban. See you later, dude. Two seconds to ban. I don't know if he listens to me or not, but literally it takes me 2 seconds to ban you, and I don't even read your messages, dude. I just ban. Why does the thumbnail say vehicle mod? Don't worry about that. Yeah, basically I started late today, accidentally. And basically if we're going to do the vehicle mod, it would have been like dinner time by the time I finished. And it's kind of cutting into recording time. So I kind of had to, you know, stop that. Alright, so models, block, digital clock. I want to create a new... Ooh, how did I do it in the device mode? Main resources, assets, CDM, models, block. Okay, so it's the same thing. How's that work? Oh, okay, no, don't worry. Changes it in the block state. I was like confused on how this would work, but you change it in the block state. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's copy out a block state from... Is it block states? Yeah. Oopsie, it's not called laptop. Refactor. Rename. Digital clock. We also forgot to this dot set unlocalized name. This thing is like making my beard real itchy. This dot set registry name. Keep it on though. I'm gonna keep it on as long as I can, guys. It's for the viewers. It's for the viewers. Why do they keep cursing? Hold on, I'll make sure I'll get here. I already sorted it out, don't worry. The thumbnail's vehicle? Yeah, I know. Hello, darkness, my old friend. That's how I feel. This is how I feel every day. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a flippin' Teletubby right now, guys. Can we get some hype? We got that $30. Oh, we got a subscriber. Oh, no, the cracker. That jar is going to explode any second now. I reckon next donation is going to explode, so. Because it's like almost full type thing. We actually got new icons in it as well, because previously we had like little coin icons in it. And I basically want it to actually be legit cheese and cracker supplies, so they're actually crackers and cheese now. So if you guys are new around here, subscribe right now. Because you actually fill up the jar with some crackers. So subscribe. Oh, it stayed in. It stayed in. So subscribe right now. If you guys are enjoying it, snap that like button. Sponsors, you know what to do. There's a cool like emoji. There's a cool like emoji now that you guys can post. New item colored. Digital clock. Oops. There we go. We need to refactor the actual package name here. This is called clock. Alright, there we go. Refactored that. I like so many times. Cray, look at Twitter. What's on Twitter? Everybody's posted the same one. Everybody's posted the same one. I'll give you guys a like. I'll give you guys a like. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It says... Whoopsie, yeah, whoopsie. Digital... I thought something looked wrong about it. I thought something looked wrong about it. Cray, go on memes. Where's the memes? Memes. I didn't see it. We didn't have a memes. You are the new Shrek? No, I'm not. Yeah, you come with me. Yeah, you're coming with me. Cray made you a bug download please. Oh yeah, I was supposed to be putting that up. I keep forgetting to put it up. I'll have to do it real soon. People keep notifying me about that. I'm like, okay, yeah, I'll do it, and then I just keep forgetting. I'll try and get it out to you soon, dude. What happened to the vehicle mod? The reason why I'm not doing the vehicle mod right now is because I actually started late. I'm going to be doing it tomorrow, so don't you guys worry about that. So tomorrow I'm going to get onto it, and yeah, should be good. Should be good to go. Should be good. Should be good. Nyeh, nyeh. I'm Pingu. Nyeh, nyeh. I don't know. Strange thing happens. Strange things happen in these live streams. Alright. Public, static, fine, creative, tab, tab, clock, new creative tabs, and then we'll sort that out later on. Pingu. Cray flossing mod. What about gun mod? I've already done the gun mod. That was last mod week who did the gun mod. That was last week. That was last year. Stop. Stop. He doesn't like Pingu. He doesn't like Pingu. We say tab. Tab clock. Alright, so we need a bunch. So digital clock, we'll say... Don't need that. We need facing, we need color. We'll say default. Model. Clock mod. Digital clock. I think that's how you specify it. Let's just copy that for a sec. And we go back like this. Alright. Yeah, that's correct. Get rid of that. So we need facing, we need color. So I'm gonna go here, block, horizontal. Let's copy some code out so we're not wasting our time here, because nothing's worse than wasting time during mod week. Block device, I think. Yep. So there's a bunch of stuff. Oops. It's in here. Alright, there we go. And then we also need to grab create a box state colored. Import that so we have facing and colored. Alright, that's fine, okay. Because the actual get actual state comes from this. Unblock placed by. Okay, don't worry. We need to have a tile entity. We need to have a tile entity, and we also have a helper class called iColor. So, it's weird because like I know everything that I've got to do, but it's just like it's the time. Because like, I'll eventually get there in the end. Tile entity. We'll just say tile entity colored extends tile entity. Where's that eye colored? Util. Yes, it is. Yeah. Just put that there. Implements. Eye colored. Bible. Don't worry about Discord situation. I can ban people. I'm a temp mod. Remember. Also, yeah. Oh yeah. Jackson Plays. Where you at, dude? Mr. Crayfish mod that includes all smart devices like a watch, phone, iPad, music. It's a little bit difficult to do all of that in one day, especially if you want features on it. Like I could do the models in one day, but like couldn't do any features about it. Mr. Crayfish, do you have a meme look a bit? Do you have a meme look a bit over developers radio? What? I hear the word internet on this song. Fart mod, please. My God, should we do that? Should we create a fart mod, guys? A fart mod? That would be that'd be another level there. Alright, so let's get this sorted out here. So tile entity. Yeah, let's just get our cool little sync class happening. Saves us time. We also need the util class. We got another $5 from Austin Kelly. Appreciate you, dude. You made us get the suit on. Mr. Kovic, can you do a mod that includes smart devices like Apple Watch, iPhone, iPod, etc.? I mean, we've already got the device mod, which is something that is pretty much that. I do want to add in, like, for the device mod, eventually add in stuff like a tablet or something like that. You know, like, it's like when I do mod week, I really got to think about, like, one thing I really got to think about is,
Margravis, can you do a mod that includes smart devices
how long it's
like
going to
Apple
actually
Watch,
take to create certain mods.
etc.
Because if we do, like, you know, a very complex mod, it's going to take too long and I'm not going to be able to create it in a day. Let's just go ahead and clear that off. I got to be able to create it within a day, and if it's a really complex mod, I'm not going to have the time to do it. So adding in that many things would be impossible. Like, I could add in one thing, which is like, you know, it could be like an Apple Watch or an iPhone, but like, I can't do like multiple things and add features to all of them. So yeah, I don't know. I would say just look out for the device mod when I do add in a tablet and that type of stuff. That's all I can say, really. Tile entity sync. Alright. Can't call an abstract. How do I support on mobile? What do you mean?
How do I support?
What do you mean
on
support?
mobile?
What do you mean support, dude? You just said something. You just sent something. Oh my God, Bloxy Way. I saw that, Bloxy Way. What are you doing? Alright, so we need that. So colored. Get color, say return color. Set color, this dot color equals color. Now we're going to create another tile entity. Tile entity digital clock. I know, a little bit unnecessary. It just makes it's better actually. Tile entity colored. And then we need to do something like it's more of a text formatting. Whatever. No, I can't do that. Text formatting is client side only. Alright, so what we're going to do is probably a digital clock, right? Yield a color. We'll call this text color. And pretty much we want all this again. We want all this. Yeah, we do want all this again. But just slightly change it around. So we'll do super, and then we're going to do something like this, and then here instead we'll do super right sync tag, and then we'll say get text color, set text color, and these aren't overrides, they're just public methods, and then we have text color like that. So it looks like pretty much the same as the other class, but it just adds in that text color because that's specifically for just the digital clock, whereas tile entity color is more of a universal type thing. So we code 3 tile entities just for that. Pretty insane. So get actual state. Alright, cool. We're gonna have to create a client package. So client. Actually, I don't do it there. I usually do it just in here. New.
You should do
package.
a mod with candy.
You should do a mod with candy. If you could elaborate it on a little bit more, then it could work. Maybe it could be like a candy dispenser mod. Maybe that would be cool. A candy dispenser mod. Shoots candy up into the air. I don't know. What's a candy dispenser? New Java class, digital clock renderer, extends tile entity, special renderer, tile entity, digital clock, render. We need to create a proxy. Let's speed this up. What we can do is... where did I do it? Hold up 1 second. Dancing mod, I think. Dancing mod, source, main. Oops. Java, car resources. Proxy, yeah, okay, copy that. Okay. Let's specify the whoops, dancing reference. Copy that. Pop that into here. We're saving. You guys don't even realize what we're saving. Like, we're saving like a billion years right now. Saving a billion years. Mr. Crayfish.clock. So we got a proxy straight off the bat. Let's go ahead, let's copy that. Clock mode. I want to put that down here. Maybe not. Maybe put it under that. Yeah, it looks a bit better. So we have a proxy now, and then we have to do a proxy dot pre-initialize. Maybe we'll do that after everything's been registered. Hey Cray, what's up my dude? So what happened, you were going to do a vehicle mod, then a clock mod. So basically the vehicle mod, I actually accidentally slept through my alarms. My mistake 100%, and you know, you guys can blame me for it. It's my fault. It's bad of me, and tomorrow I'm 100% going to be on time. Oh my god, this was creepy, guys. This was literally creepy. I've got even the weird. You guys probably had similar experiences. You guys probably had similar experiences. But you know, you go know how you like, you have dead arms, or you have like, you know, you have a dead arm or something in the morning because you've slept on it. Like maybe you put your arm under your pillow, then you've like slept on top of your arm, something like that, right? This is crazy, right? I woke up, right, with like, I don't know how, somehow it happened, but I woke up with both my arms, like, dead, you know? So you're not just one arm where it's like dead and you're just like that. Both arms are dead, right? And this is like the creepiest thing, right? Because they're dead, you can't feel anything, right? You can't feel anything really, alright? So both my arms are dead, right? But like I can, like that, you can't feel anything, but you can move still. And like my arm was on my pillow, right? My arm was on my pillow, and I was doing this with my hand, right? I was doing this with my hand, like moving it back and forth like that. And like, all I could just like see was like a hand moving. It didn't feel like my hand. It didn't feel like it was my hand. I was just watching a hand moving, basically. Like, I couldn't feel at all, like, the actual pillow. And, like, both my arms were dead as well. So, like, I was hitting myself as well, like, seeing, like, what it felt like. And it was, like, someone's just, like, hitting me. I'm like, what the heck's going on? But, like, I think it was the creepiest thing that's ever happened. And, like, it was, like, my arm was just resting in my pillow and I was moving my hand. And it just felt like somebody else's hand. Somebody else's hand was on my pillow. I couldn't feel my hand at all. I couldn't feel my hand, and then it slowly comes back. Does anybody have, like, an explanation behind that? Does anybody know what is the reasoning behind that? Like, what's the science behind it? What's the science behind it? Someone inform me, please. Someone inform me. Did you guys want to see me do the fart mod? I said that before, I didn't read. Should I do a fart mod where you can fart on people? Would you be able to make a camera mod? I've had people suggest that already. I don't know. No, people say no. No fart mod. Someone said yes. Sure. The music's still going. Yeah, it is. Hopefully I haven't had the penguin song because I haven't got my headphones on. I think the bloodstream gets cut off by the pressure and it slowly comes back, but like, how dangerous is it? Like, okay, let's say you cut off your bloodstream, like, isn't that dangerous? Isn't it dangerous? Like, why doesn't it, like, if you're not cutting off your blood circuit, obviously, because it's in, you know, if you're cutting it off completely, your arm would die. Unless you're just cutting it off slightly, but somehow I cut off both my arms. It was really weird. Somehow I cut both of them off. Alright. So where are we up to? Render. Alright, so proxy, client proxy. Let's get rid of this. Pretty sure there's nothing in that. Okay. So here we can do client registry dot register tile entity digital clock dot class equals new digital clock renderer. What's wrong with this? Oh, ID. ID, what? Oopsie. Sorry, register tile entity special renderer. Did the wrong one there. Whoops. We also need to do, in our initialize, we'll go game registry.register tile entity. We'll do tile entity digital clock dot class, and then we'll do clock, I'll say reference dot mod ID digital clock whatever. We need to go into here. We need to say dot has tile entity, return true, get, I think it's create tile entity, return new tile entity digital clock. There we go. Let's think, is this gonna add straight to the game? Block digital clock, this dot set creative tab, we'll say we'll see clock mod dot tab clock. We need to go back to here and specify, I think initialize, oops, we've got to rename this factor mod blocks. Here we'll say new item stack mod blocks digital clock. We also need to, inside of the item colored here, we need to create the actual IDs for it. So go back to GitHub, device mod, source. I want to read here, yes, but you have to make every single skin a different shirt. Who's this? Can you already customize your skin using an overlay, and can you take it on and off in character customization tab? Yeah, you can already do that. Somebody suggested a clothes mod, which is not a bad idea, because like what you could do is make it so it, because like you can make it so it renders below the armor layer, but render it just above the player's skin, which would be cool. Would you guys want to see like a clothes mod? I don't know how I'd do it though. Because it'd be cool if we had like user submitted clothes as well to put into it, so you guys could actually create clothes during live stream. I'd get a template out ASAP for you guys. But then how would you apply it? That's the thing. How would you apply the clothes? I'm just trying to think about like timing wise. Get sub items. Oh, we need that, I reckon. Need that, and then we also need get models. And that, reference. So there we go. Alright. I wonder if this is going to work first shot. What do you guys think? Do you reckon it's going to work first shot or not? I want you guys to submit your answers below. Submit your answers below. You would have to use a clothes editor. What about user design clothing in game? Yeah, that's taking it a little bit more further, because that would mean I'd have to be in like an editor. I mean, completely possible though. I mean, completely possible. Well, it'd be cool if you could create custom shirts. That'd be cool. Custom shirts, right? Custom shirts, then you can put that picture onto your shirt, and then you, like, yeah, it'd be cool. Don't know how well it would work though. Bye everyone, I have to go and study. See you later, hello man. You would have a white shirt made of wool and string, and then press it and cut it to what you want. Yeah, it'd be cool. I wonder, I don't know if I can pull it off or not. I don't know if I can pull it off or not. I mean, we can attempt. We're gonna attempt to do it. I don't want to attempt, I want to have a complete mod. I guess I can tell you guys about this, but basically I was originally going to create a vehicle mod today. And what I was actually going to create is an ATV. an ATV, a flippin' ATV, and it would have been so fun on the actual server because I could have seen us riding around having a little race after the server. So tomorrow is when it's going to happen now. So get excited for that. But if you guys want to join me today on the sponsor server at the end of this live stream, go ahead and sponsor, because we're going to be on the server after this with this actual clock mod. Digital clock, I think that's what it wants to be, and then we're going to copy a bunch of things and paste it into it. Let's go back to here, resources. Cray vehicle mod tomorrow, please. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alright, digital clock. Paste all these in. So what we're going to do is, alright, we close all these, right? Refactor. Alright, so there's something special you can do here. So if we go ahead and we copy that, right? We can go this, right? We can go that. Match K. Open and find. How come it's like coming up with anything? Hold up. Oh, directory. Alright, hold on, let's try this. Laptop. File mask, whoops. CDM, item, laptop. Right, directory and project. Say that. Open in find window. No, hold on, let's go back to here. There's like a way to do it. Control enter. I think it's fine. There's a way to do it through here. Hold up. I think it's code. Hold up. Edit. Find. Replace in path. Ah, here we go. So this is clock mod. Clock mod. Item. Say block. Digital clock. I might spelled that wrong. There we go. So that speeds up that process. Only problem is we need to. Oh, that's the right one. Oh no, number 1. Concrete white. Alright. So we also need to change around. So edit, find, replace in path. What do we want to change? Blocks, wool, colored. Change around this to. I will change around two, like that, to 1. Blocks, concrete. I think it's concrete colored. colored. Or fives. 100% it's that. Let's double check. Concrete. Ah, it's just white. It's just that. Whoops. Alright, let's just go again. Edit. Find in path. Blocks. Concrete. Oopsie, concrete. Alright, so that should be right now. Replaces number 1. Alright, let's load this up right now, and hopefully we didn't have any problems. We could also create the lang file straight off the bat here. Lang. When are you going to put the download link for this mod? I put it up at the end of the day. Cray in a Teletubby suit. People donated $30 and he said he would. I said I would do it. My dad is home as well, so I'm expecting him to pop into my room and see me with the suit on. Why are you Lala? Hey, Nabus! Nabus! It's for the viewers. It's for the viewers. I'm Lala. They donated $30 to me, so had to do it. Had to do it. I'm hoping we can get at least one sponsor today. So if you guys are considering sponsoring, sponsor now, because I want to get some more sponsors up in this town. We actually got 5 emojis now, which is really, really awesome. We got 5 emojis now. I finally updated them. Finally put some more in. So if you actually sponsor, you get some custom emojis. You can join us at the end of the live stream on the sponsor server and actually test out this mod. So it's gonna be a bunch of fun. en_us.lang. Then I'm gonna say item. Ooh, okay. Let's add this into. I'm just waiting for the moment my dad walks in. I won't even pause the live stream, guys. Won't even pause the live stream. I'll just let it go. He'll be like, why are you wearing that? I'll be like, they made me do it. They made me do it. How do I sponsor on mobile? I'm pretty sure you need to actually get the YouTube gaming app, unfortunately. I don't think they actually have the feature on just the normal YouTube app. I can't, you know, vouch for that though. I'm pretty sure you have to get the YouTube gaming app instead. Hey Cray, can you make a Hello Neighbor mod so I can play Hello Neighbor in Minecraft? I actually haven't played the game, but apparently it's a really good game because it's like a machine learning game. You can't just like do the same tactic all the time, otherwise he knows where you are basically. So you gotta like change it up around and trick him and that type of stuff and trap him. Hey, can someone who is about to sponsor tell Cray to make a Hello Neighbor mod? Just read that. Is this a vehicle or clock mod? It's a clock mod. Alright, need to fix up. What's this gonna be? I'm just gonna go back to assets, lang, enus. So how's the laptop? Okay, so it's just, yeah, okay. So lang, enus, item, digital, clock dot name equals digital. I should answer the door to my dad. That'd be hilarious. Should I answer the door to my dad in this? Oh my god, he's gonna be like, what's going on? What is going on right now? I made an edit of your mod week stream thumbnail in stream. Let's have a look. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool, dude. I like it, yeah. It's kind of just a variation in it. I really like the graphics I pulled off with Mod Week. I really like the graphics I pulled off, and that's pretty cool as well. So cheers for that, dude. Did you see me big message? Yeah, I did. If you want me to moderate on the channel, I'd be happy to do so. Also, if you can, after the stream, look at Yoshi's message about moderating thing and PM me your response. Alright, I'll get to that after. Alright, we're going to launch up the game right now. Who do you think this is going to work straight off the bat? Let me know right now. Or is it going to crash? I feel I'm confident. I'm confident. Cray mod, please. Yeah, we're launching it up right now, dude. So, I'm confident. I'm confident. What do you guys think? Is it going to work or not? You'll see a black screen for a second here. It is Wednesday, my dudes. Skia. Skia, skia, skia. Alright, pointing world. Doesn't have any items in it, so it doesn't matter. I mean, it loaded up. Well, no model. Ah, it's tile. Whoops. Tile. Tile there. Did we actually register the models? Is that how it works? How does the models work? So, items. Ah, that's right. Item colored. Yeah, added to it. Okay. We also need to add in the item group dot tab clock. And let's call this Mr. Crayfish's clock mod. Mr. Crayfish's clock mod. So why didn't that actually work? Let's have a look at the errors. It could have been a registry error, which it seems like it is. No file found exception models. Item, oh, maybe refactor, rename. Ah, I found out. Digital. You're right. Digital. Alright, there we go. That should fix it up. Hopefully. Let's refactor. Let's reload. You can make a colored light mod if it's not too hard. It's kind of too hard to do colored lights because that actually links into shaders. Oh, there we go, guys. There we go. That didn't reload. Alright, let's reload the lang file. Alright, so yeah, it didn't reload that. Because you're actually going to recompile it. You're supposed to be in bed, but you're watching Cray. Who's that right now? Who is that right now? Who's literally watching me right now and should be in bed? Let me know if that's you. Alright, GY, let's rotate it 180. So let's remove 180 from here. So it'll be 45. The scale of it, we're going to do to 1. And how much do we want to translate it up? Probably 3. Alright. It's 638 for me. Yeah, if you're living in the US, it's pretty much fine. Oh, there we go. That's pretty cool. Let's put up to 4, I reckon. Translate it up a little bit higher. Look at that, we got that first shot. That's like... No one would ever be able to create something like that unless you've had experience with modding, like... every single day. Alright, maybe 5. And maybe... -1. I have college tomorrow. Alright. That's pretty good. We can make it bigger actually. About 1.5. Make it even bigger. Cray, can you give me a download to your texture pack? Oh, there you go. You can actually see the buttons now. That's a bit better. Let's go 7. And let's get rid of that -1. Perfect. Have a look at that, guys. So we got the clocks in here now. Like, there's no way anybody could ever do this unless they know. Oh, look at that. Working straight off the bat. Working straight off the bat. Look at that. That proness. Oh, the red doesn't work because it's got the red concrete. Oh, what the? That's a bug. Fix that up. So it's not actually placing it because... So when we actually place the block... how's it work in the device mode? So Java com item colored device. Alright, nothing in there about that, so I'm guessing it's in the actual block. So get drops. Okay. What's that going to be inside of the device? Digital clock. Alright, put that onto here. So, on block placed by... Alright, so hopefully this works now. Let's just make sure. Removed by player. I think we actually have to change this around to get stack. Okay, it is doing that. Okay, cool. Alright, it's really load the game right now. See a black screen for a second here, guys. How do you do the emoji on Android? What do you mean? You just do like emoji like normal. If you're talking about the custom emoji, that's a sponsor only feature. The custom emoji. Can you give a download for your texture pack? I already read that one. I love your bird crayfish. Oh my god, look at this beautiful view of the model creator. What an amazing view right there. Someone said, I want to learn how to code mods. Yeah, it is simple. Oh, I think my dad's here. He's coming inside now. Alright, it's going to be interesting. I'll keep the stream rolling. Keep the stream rolling. Alright, he's going to come. Wait for him. Alright, it's not here yet. Alright, they made me do it. They made me do it. He is here, run Cray. There's not really much. There's not really nowhere to hide in my room at all. There's nowhere to hide in my room at all. Alright, so there we go. That fixes it. Cool. We do have a slight issue where it's, you know, the particle texture's wrong, but that can be fixed real easily. So we can just go to digital block here. Do you guys not see that? Hold up. There we go, sorry. Yeah, fix that problem up with the thing there. And let's go ahead and get rid of that. So I'm just going to specify a particle now. Blocks. Let's just do blocks.concrete black. Reload the textures. Are you going to post the pointing mod from yesterday? Yeah, I'm going to do it real soon. I just need to finish off the credits, because what I'm doing is adding like the people that actually donated in the credits for the day. So if you guys, if you guys ever super chat or donate or sponsor, I'm actually putting you in the credits of the mods. Just so you know, you actually supported me during the development of it, and you guys deserve it. You guys deserve it, basically. So, alright, so there we go. There's clock. Obviously, I haven't fixed up the boundaries, but that can be done really easily, really easily, with some cool little tricks up my sleeve. I think it's collision helper. Have I fixed that one version up? Axis line DB. Facing bounds, yes, okay, cool. Thought I created a better version of that. Should I create a better version of that? I thought I did. GitHub. What would have I used in? 100% would have been that. Util collision. I made like a better version of it. Where is it? Let's go. Oops. I created a better version of that. What did I create that in? Hold up. Device mod applications, nope. Dab mod, no. Fidget spinner mod, no. I literally created like an advanced... What did I create it in? Wasn't a furniture mod, was it? Until collision helper. No. Where did I do that? I created like a really good helper class. Gun mod. Alright. Yeah, I don't know where I put that. I'd like a really easy way to set up collisions. I don't know where it went. Device mode. Colored devices, components. Where did I put that? What did I use it in? I swear I used it in the device mod. I swear of it. Let's check. Util collision helper. It's got to be in one of these branches. poor. Decorations. Oh, maybe this one. Nope. Oh, I can change around this hit master. Where is that? I swear I created it. Unless it was in like a... Let's have a look. It could have been in a backup. Origins printer artwork. Visions. Nope. Printer. Oh my god, where did I put that? Nah, this is old stuff. 17th of October. 2017. I created like a really easy way to make collisions. Where did I do it? It's in some project that I created. Is there a way we can refresh the Mr. Coach's Discord server so it puts me as sponsor and I get whitelisted? Oh. Hold up. I can do that for you. It's because it doesn't update straight away. Server settings, integrations, refresh. Hopefully it's there now, dude. Yeah, you are. Awesome. Where did I do this? In dab mod? No. Dancing mod? No. Device mod? Seems like I would have used it in that because I would have used it in the printer. The printer is what I would have used it in. So let's go here. Let's say collision. Search it. Collision. I used it in something. I used it in something that made it really easy. Util collision helper. I used it in something because I made it very easy. Collision. What would have I used it in? I'm thinking I would have used it in like a temporary mod. Gun mod. Jumping castle mod. Nope. I would never get rid of it. I don't know, I don't think I'm going to be able to find it. Is this mod going to be only available in 1.12.2? Yes, for now only. Don't have the time. I really want to find this thing, because I made it like super duper easy to add collisions in, and like, I don't know what I actually did with it. Alright, so let's get a collision. Collision helper. Alright, we have a bunch of them now. So there's this one, nope. This one, nope. Nope. Sort. Wasn't here, was it? No. It was like the most useful thing I've ever developed. How did I... There's no way I got rid of it. It's used in office chair, etc. for the bounding boxes. It's not... It's better than that though. It was better than that. Like, I know I used it in the office chair, but like, the thing is... Let's have a look. Nah, that's the wrong one. It's not the office chair, like, it's basically a whole system that adds in the rotation. Wait, what's this one get? Wait, what's this one? New... Oh, no, I know what it is. Alright, I figured it out. Figured it out, guys. Figured it out. It was there all along. It was there all along. I was just looking at the wrong thing. I was looking at the wrong thing, guys. Can we get a rip crayfish right now? Source, main, Java. Hold on. Objects, bounds, there it is. This is what I was looking for. Oops. Organize the imports. Alright, perfect. And then we can do something like this. Hold up, switch over to this. Alright, we can say private static final collision boxes equals, oopsie, axis aligned BB array collision boxes equals new bounds and then we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in 6 0, 4, and then 10. How many pixels high is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, and then 12. And then get rotated bounds. And then we can do something like, so that's the collision boxes. What we might do is, as well, selection boxes, just reduce everything by 1 and increase these by 1. So collision and selection. It was there all along. Get bounding box. Oh, see, not that. Get. Yeah, I think it's bounding box. Ignore that it's deprecated. So here we do this, and I'll say collision boxes. And then for here, let's do selection boxes. Is that right? Oopsie, I forgot to import that. There we go. And straight off the bat that this should work. The clock is going to be decorative or useful. It's decorative only. Decorative only. It'll have usefulness because it's going to tell you the time. It's going to tell you the time. So we can actually go ahead and get that little utility. I think it's time util. Pop that into there. Yeah, so we get total, so do minutes, seconds, hours, minutes. So let's just modify this. Get rid of that, get rid of that. Get formatted 24 hour. Get formatted time. Alright, let's go back to here. Cray, where's the thumbnail of the vehicle of thumbnail say vehicle mod? Because I was originally going to create a vehicle mod today, however I started an hour and a half late. So basically because we started an hour and a half late, it would have taken too long. Like we would have been, we would have been finishing that by probably now. We would have been finishing that by probably now if we had that extra hour and a half. So there we go, collision boxes, all good, except it's a little too far. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we did that wrong. Bounds. Digital clock. Selection boxes. That's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. So that'd be 9. That'd be 10. Everything else good on it? Yeah, okay. So fix that up. The Mr. Kovic pack hit number 2 trending on Technic with 9k downloads. How's it got 9k downloads already? That's insane. That's insane, dudes. Let's keep it going. Let's add some more mods to that Cray pack. That's insane. How's the Technic pack getting 9k downloads already? That's crazy. And it's not even like advertised anywhere. It's literally just the Technic pack. Get rid of my Teletubby thing. Alright, so that's so far. Is that actually rendering? Hold up. I wonder if this is rendering. I'm pretty sure it is. Yep, it is, 100%. Alright, cool. So we can actually already, straight off the bat, add in the time to it. So we'll do it right now. So if we actually go to, I'm looking at my source for the printer. Let's see, render, printer. So this is what I'm looking for. This is what you came for. So import mod blocks dot digital clock. Then we're gonna do time util get formatted time. How do we get that? Minecraft, get Minecraft world dot get ticks, get total world time, color. Let's just do that for now. And it worked, cool. Oh, there it is. Oh, I know what we did. Forgot to do. Forgot to translate this thing. Do that down here, actually. Cool. We have to change this around. It says 1456. The model looks really good. Cheers. My headphones need such good quality that it's like a dream. Only 7 viewers remain. Who will fall next? Really? There's only 7 people watching. That can't be true. There's 31 you watching. What? You're crazy. You're crazy. Alright, so we got that working. Let's go in this view so you guys can see better. Alright, so let's adjust this around right now. So live adjustments happening here right now. So rotate. Where's the weird rotate happening? It's happening here. Get rid of that. Ooh. Alright. And then where's the translation happening? I think it's here. Okay. Alright, so let's fix up the time util here. I think we can do just that. Yes. Yes. Let's say draw string. Pretty sure there's like a centered string. Whatever, draw string. Oops. 4, 3. Let's have a look. Basically, you need to center that thing with there. So. Yeah, just a rough. Oops. Now let's put it as close as we can to it. Before it goes off. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Someone said, what am I wearing the brushes? Yeah, you gotta be here before. You had to be here before. Too big. Format. Let's have a look at this. String format. For Java string format examples. I want to have like double zeros. How can I do that? Hold up. There's this. 0 pad. It's basically padding. Percentage 0 to. What does that mean? So 2. Alright, there we go, that works. 0, 2D. Alright, there we go, that works. Cool. Alright, let's fix up the translation. translator up a little bit. Oh yeah. What do you guys think of that? And then let's go game. Do daylight cycle true so you can actually see it. Do is that moving? Hold up. Time util hours, minutes. We may have specified the wrong thing here. Get weld time. There we go. So if we do time set. Okay, we need to fix something up here. Where's our time util class? Get game time. Oh, here. There we go, that's better. So if we actually do set time, set 0, it should be... Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Because this is like 6 AM. I basically do 6 AM as there. 6 AM. How cool is that, guys? What do you guys think so far? Get off that. You standing on my clock. You standing on my clock. Get off it. That didn't sound right. That did not sound right. Cray, I wish you stream at like 10 AM in America. I can't really do that. Because that would mean it's 1:47 AM. And I'm not live streaming it that late. Guys, go to stream. I made a remake of Mr. Crayfish Mansion. I'll give the link for download. Now make it look like a 7 segment. What? I don't know if we should make it like 24-hour time or not. I don't know. Can't change the color through this, can you? Okay, good. Basically what I want to do is make it so you can change the text color using this. So I'm pretty sure inside of item color, let's just do public on that. We can go to digital clock here, renderer, and do item colored. Item colored dot get from color te dot get text color. Alright, I have to restart the game here real quickly. Will you release the mansion, Cray, with the stores and everything? I don't know. I want to do a tutorial on it. I mentioned this before. I want to do a tutorial on this. Now, if you guys joined the live stream and you're wondering why I'm wearing this, it's because we earned $30. As you guys can see from this menu, put on the Teletubby suit. I did it. But if you guys want to play with me after, if you guys want to pop on, if you guys want to play with me and this mod that we're developing today afterwards, become a sponsor, because we're going to pop onto the sponsor server. Craig, could you white this for me real quick, because I'm trying to join your server. It's saying I'm not a sponsor. Zontic, you haven't gone to the whitelisting channel. Go to the whitelisting channel on the Mr. Crayfish server. There's an invite link in the description below for this one. Go to the whitelisting thing here and enter in your username. That's how you pop on. Also, there's a custom resource pack at the moment. It's a mod pack. Just remember that as well. We're gonna change around the default text to be white, and then block digital clock. I'm gonna go. Find somewhere to do this. On block activated. I'll say if world in dot is remote, is not remote, stack, item stack held item equals play in dot get held item hands. If held item doesn't equal to empty. If held item dot get item instance of item die. Die dot get. Is there a way to item die? Get. What was it? Static method. Enum die color. Here we go. Blah blah blah. It's not empty. Then we do tile entity. Tile entity equals world in dot get tile entity pos. If tile entity instance of I colored. Colored dot set. Oopsie no. Tile entity digital clock. Set text color. That. And then we'll say return true. Otherwise return false. Return true. Whatever. So we should be able to set the text color now, and then we'll say this dot sync it. Okay, start up the game now. Cray, did a dad walk in? Not yet, surprisingly. Usually he comes in and says hey, but he didn't actually say hey this time. So, you know, the closer we are to ending the stream, the better off we are. He will never have to see me. I'm going to take this thing off as soon as the live stream ends. Correct, guys, I'll direct message you on Discord. Alright, don't worry about that. Zontic can't get licensed because the underscore trigger are formatting code which get rid of underscores. Oh, maybe it's a glitch in my username system. Is it saying it's an invalid username? Is it saying it's an invalid username? What is like the thing? What does it say? What's the response when it actually oh, look at that. Oh, that didn't work. Whoops. I think we have to do block digital clock by die damage. Yay, there we go, guys. So we should be able to change it back to white if we really wanted to. Woo! Look at that. The customizability right now. Look at that. Blue if you want it. Light blue. Pink. Let's do green to match it. Woo! That's looking good. That's looking good right there. You get a rating out of 10 right now, guys. A rating out of 10. Can we get some appreciation? Because I got this flippin' Teletubby suit on for the live stream. Can we get some appreciation right now? That cheese and cracker supply jar is getting quite full. So if you're new around here, go ahead and subscribe right now. Let's fill it up even more before someone decides to donate and explode the living daylight out of it, because that's going to be one big explosion. So subscribe right now if you're new around here. 11 out of 10. Cheers, dude. 11 out of 10. 10 out of 0. 10 out of 0. It doesn't even make sense. That would be an invalid rating. Hashtag appreciation. Hashtag appreciation right there. Look at him. He's like, I sell you clock. Is that your clock? Well, it's my clock now. I sell it back to you for emeralds. I sell it back to you for emeralds, dude. 100,000 out of 1. That's pretty good. Appreciation. So subscribe right now. If you're new, if you're enjoying this live stream, snap that like button. Yeah, that's beautiful. That clock is actually beautiful. We're gonna add a crafting recipe. So what should we do, guys? Crafting recipes. Help me suggest ideas. Suggest ideas, my dudes, for recipes. New directory recipes. Let's call this new file digital clock. We need to do like every single version of it, unfortunately. Yeah. Digital clock white. Let's copy out some crafting recipes. So this will be clock mod. A compass should be involved. Yes, that's definite. Most definite. Use a clock to make a clock. Clock and a die. I reckon it should be clock. Okay, digital clock. Right. Let's go into game here so you guys can you know, see it. So we can actually, you know, create a recipe here. Oh, I got some Pringles. I got Pringles. I got Pringles, my dudes. Ah. Ah. I should see the game pop up in a second here. Can you review my remake of your neighborhood, Cray? I'd like to see it. Alright. Oh wow, the black one. Look at that. Completely black. The white one. What's your favorite color, guys? What's your favorite color? The blue one's not bad. I like the blue one. Red one though. The red one is the best one. Look, they're all in sync. Pringle height. Which is your favorite color? So this is my idea for a clock. So we actually have the clock in it. Iron. Then maybe the material. So I was thinking like something like, let's get some redstone out. I was thinking like redstone, the dye color up here, then the clock in the middle like that. Oops, why can't see that? Whoops, what the? Ah, here we go, sorry. There we go. So that's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking for it. It's pretty simple. Iron, the dye that you want to use, the clock, and redstone. I think it's not too bad. So iron, dye, iron, iron, clock, iron, iron, redstone, iron. Iron ingot. D is the dye. So I think it's just... just die. Die. C is item Minecraft block. I think it's just that. Yep. And then R is redstone. Alright, perfect. And then we need to specify this, so data. So white. So we need to do all this, so white is 15. So let's do all these now. So we need an orange. Orange, magenta, light blue, yellow, lime. I've like worked with metadata items so much now that I know all the names of them. Pink. Maybe surprised about this one. We need a silver one. I know how that's grey. That's grey. Next one's silver. Doesn't even make sense. Why you turn off music? It shouldn't be off. I think it's just... No, it's still on. Music's still off. Cyan. Purple. Blue. Brown. Green. And red. And black. Alright, so let's show this off now. So here we go. So we need to do these in order. So black is 0. So data 0. And then the dye. Oh, I don't know what the color is actually. Hold up. So black. Oh, it's 15. So it's the opposite. Then the dye is 0. Oh, I should be able to do this without even. So dye is 4 for blue. That means the data for the clock is 11. Brown is 3. That means the data for the clock is 12. Cyan, 6. Data is 9. Gray is 8. Then the data is 7. Yes, 7. Green 2. Data 13. Light blue 12. Data is, oh, we got a donation, $4.50. Boom. Well, there goes cheese and cracker supplies. He said yeah the boys, yeah the boys. YTV, you must be Australian. Cheers dude for the super chat there, appreciate you right now. I lost my mojo there. What we're up to 12, so the data will be 3. Cheers there for the donation, dude. Hey, the actual goal went up. We're at $34 now, so it only works if you actually donate. The super chats don't unfortunately work, and they should fix that. I'll have to ping them and see if they can actually add that in. Can you change the music to I'll find you by maybe, I don't know. I don't think I have that song. I never heard of it before. If it's not on my list, I can't change it. So that's 10, so the data here is gonna be 5. Magenta 13. So the data here will be 2. Orange 14. So the data will be 1. Pink 9, so the data is going to be 6. Purple 5. Data will be 10. What's this one? Red is 1. Data is 14. Silver is 7. So the data is 8. White is 15. So the data is 0. And then finally, yellow here, guys, 11. And data is 4. Boom. There we go. Crafting recipes added. Let's test them out right now. Just started watching the stream. That Teletubby suit though. It's because of the $30 goal there. It's because of the $30 goal there. Can you make clocks glow? That's not a bad idea. I could add like a slight glow to them if you want. So we can do this dot set light level. We could do like 5F. Oh no, hold up. Okay. 0. give it a little bit of a glow. It won't show up right now. We're going to restart the game if we want to show it up, but it'll be added in the next time we relaunch the game. Alright, so we did crafting recipes, so let's test it out. There we go, red clock. Let's try this one. Light blue, perfect. There we go, crafting recipes are done. Collisions are done. Let's check that glow, so let's restart the game here. We should also save that text color. It did work, don't worry about it, it did work, I know it does. Can you add a grandfather clock? Probably not in this stream today, just because we were running late, obviously, but had a good dream to make it. Had a nightmare. That's probably why I didn't hear my clocks. So let's see if these glow now. Maybe a bit brighter. Maybe half. Oh, you guys can't see it. Whoops. Don't worry about that. I will. I'm just gonna save this project as digital clock. Let's close that off because that keeps being a problem when we actually want to launch up the game here. Cray, what are you going to make for tomorrow? I'm actually going to be doing the vehicle mod tomorrow, so you've probably seen on the thumbnail it says vehicle mod. And even on like Twitter it says vehicle mod. That was an accident. I mean, it wasn't an accident, it's because I started late. If I started at the proper time, I would have been doing the vehicle mod. So vehicle mod tomorrow. And I'm going to be adding in an ATV. An ATV, my dudes. It's going to be cool. We're going to play around with that on the server. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, there's a bit of a bug with the lighting there. Let's see if we can fix that up. Ooh. Let's get rid of that. Maybe we didn't do it. Geostate manager disable lighting. Hold on, what color is that supposed to be? It's supposed to be green. We do need that disable lighting. It's supposed to be green. Enable normal. I just don't understand this lighting, so if you do that, I don't know how to make it brighter. Depth line. So it should be like bright. Forge disable. How do I make it brighter? Maybe GL. Render helper. Dot disable. Whoops. It doesn't do anything. I want it brighter. I don't know how to make it brighter. I want it to be like a bright text. Forge, render. I think it's possibly Tessellator. Let's see, Tessellator, get buffer, put brightness. I don't know what that is. Kill me now. Yeah, alright, whatever. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly why. If anybody knows why, then that'd be good. Release this mod to the public when it's done? Yeah, of course. I want to like, is there like a gear on it? Disable light. Disable and then maybe that will help. I don't know. Try it out. Raise your hand if you love Cray's mods. Raise it right now. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. Cray, what's your current stance on the community version of the furniture mod? It's on hold, I guess. It's on hold at the moment because I don't have enough time to work on it. Especially with the device mod and all the other mods and mod week. That looks better. You can actually read it now. Pitch black and it works. I think it's because I increased the brightness. Hey, I just hate how just like iron golems aren't even a thing. Hold on, I got my phone ringing. Get off my PayPal. Get off my PayPal, you fools. Someone's trying to do that prank call on me again. Where they basically just go to my PayPal and request the security code. I've seen it before. I've seen it before, you're not funny. I raised the roof and roof slipped and broke. Yeah, my phone keeps going off. But it didn't look like a PayPal phone number. It's the first one. I swear on my life, right? I swear on my life, apps, right? Apps right on your phone, they know when you're on it, and when you're on the phone they send you the notification. Like they don't send the notification, you know, when you're not on the, when you're like away from your phone. They send it, they detect if you're actually on the phone, then they send you the notification. Because I literally just got a billion notifications then as soon as I picked up my phone. Like, why? I mean, I understand why they're trying to get you on it, their app, but still. Alright, so we've got that done. Pop that down. Oh, that's looking beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. We got crafting recipes done. Is that pretty much it? I think we're ready to rock and roll here. I'm pretty sure we're ready to rock and roll here and build this and actually put it onto the test server. So let's go ahead. Let's hop out of here. Make sure we're good on this. Clock mod. Let's go to build. Clock archive base name. Let's go clock mod. Alright, cool. Build a Mondo. Is Master Chief here? Yes, he is. Alright, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get this onto the sponsor server now. So pretty much the mod is complete, which is really, really awesome. I can't think of anything that needs to be done for it. So Master Chief, I'll send you that link. So you guys have to have the Twitch app and then actually install the mod pack, which will give you a link to, and I'll show you guys how you can actually install it real quickly, and I'll install it again. Get games. Why isn't mods? Maybe. Here we go. So I accidentally installed this yesterday. Whoops. Get out of here. Alright, there we go. I'm also going to uninstall that so I can show you guys how to actually do it. Cray, how's your morning been? It's been pretty good. It's actually the afternoon right now. It's actually the afternoon right now. So I think it's built now. Clock mod. Looks like it. Alright, Master Chief coming in hot with you, dude. Coming in hot. Will it also be on CurseForge? Yeah, it will be later on. Right now we're just, you know, because I can't publish it instantly to CurseForge. It kind of, you know, it goes in a review process. So they'll be up. I'm going to get them up soon. Maybe later tonight or tomorrow. It really depends. Bloxy Way do a face reveal? Yeah, what? Yeah, Bloxy Way face reveal. Alright, so that's all good. Just gonna wait on him to sort it. What about updating pointing mode? Oh yeah, I'll get you that. Sorry. I'll get you that too. Pretty sure it's an updated version. Yeah, it is. Remember to update the server. Thanks for letting me know, dude. Alright, let's put the mods on the server now. Ooh, wrong one. Ah, I got Pringle stuck in my teeth. It's like stuck between two teeth. Alright, 2 seconds. Gonna get this up on the server for you guys so we can actually start playing around with it, and then I'll give you guys the link, and I'll show you guys how to install it on the stream as well. So if you guys are a sponsor, make sure you've joined the Mr. Crayfish Discord. There's an invite link in the description. Make sure you link your YouTube gaming account up, and then you should gain access to this whitelisting channel here where you can enter in your username. And then as well, make sure you have the Twitch app installed, because it needs to have a mod pack for you to be able to play. Oh, alright. Jeez. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna go... What do I need to go to? Alright. Noodle Planet, we do not need to know. Mr. Crayfish do a face reveal. $30 for me to take off the mask. $30 for me. $30 for me to take off the mask right now. Download is up on the Modpack Discord. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's install this now. So if you guys have never installed a Modpack, very easy. So I've got it right here. So it's the Twitch launcher. You can get here by going mods. Click Minecraft, and then go click create custom profile, then click on here where it says import. Now first you'll need to actually download the actual thing. So if we go over here, I think he's posted it in server info, or no, sorry, the Cray pack Discord server. So to join that, go to server info from the Mr. Crayfish thing, go to server info, then join here, And then we should general mod pack discussion downloads. Go into downloads here, and then we should have the latest one down here, 229. Yep. Click on that. Let's download this now, so it should take 2 seconds right now. Then we're going to pop onto the actual sponsor server, and then also make sure you change the version here to 1.12.2, just so you have the correct version here. And then you also, if you're downloading it on Chrome, it will come up as actual a warning, and you just have to specify to keep the file. It's kind of annoying. Import, find that, so the Cray pack with clock mod, and then I'm pretty sure it should be installing right now. There we go, installing the mods. How long is the stream? It's been 3 hours so far. 3 hours, hashtag overtime live stream, not really. Mod week doesn't really have a time limit. Is it publicized yet? No, not yet. And there we go, I'm going to click play. Hopefully I don't have to specify, I reckon I will. Oh no, it's already logged in, awesome. With the clock mod, perfect. Let's load this up right now. Let's start the sponsor server. I don't know why, but every time I load this up it starts as a square. So I've just got to fix it up there, and let's flip over to here. There we go. Let's join the sponsor server. I think it's still starting up actually. It's still starting up. Alright, it's still starting. What if the stream went for 24 hours? No, I would not do that. Still starting up. Still starting. Yes. Oh, nope. There we go. Oh, 4 of us already in here. Hey, hey. Hello. Gamer will do daylight cycle. Uh-oh. This is not good. We're lagging out, guys. We're lagging out. We're gonna have like a massive lag spike in a second here, you'll see it. Whoop, there we go, timed out. Rip. Rip. Come on. I don't know, see, the servers are getting hit hard. Disconnected. It's taking its good old time right now. I know why this one's like, this server's like super duper laggy. It's like once you get on, you're fine. Like once you get past the initial kind of time, like there's like a, it's just a weird connection time frame right at the start here. There we go. So it looks like, hello. Hello? Alright, laddies. Come into my home. Somehow I don't have permission. Why don't I have permission? Okay, I think they're working on sort of permissions. Yeah, I fixed up the pointing mod, so it actually works a lot better now. Looks a lot more smooth, as you guys can tell. Also renders as well. It's a lot more smoother now. Everybody pointing hype right now. Server starting to what? Why are starting? How come I got console? Just a game rule. Music is loud, whoops. Get off music. Nobody wants you. It's louder than you. Alright, there we go. We're in now. We're all good. Already point hype. Point hype real quickly. This is the mod we developed yesterday, which allows you to point. And pretty much I've made it smoother now so it doesn't actually... It's a little bit better. It's just because the server's laggy that it does that. Is that the server or somebody like... Hey. Who said that? Ah, Nucleus, whoops. Alright, so pointing, woo! Alright, so everybody's after the clocks. Everybody's after the clocks. The digital clocks. Everybody point. The clocks, they're beautiful. The thing keeps saying we're starting in 10 minutes. Hold up. Advance. Boom. Alright, I just had to fix something up here. Alright, cool. So pointing, we got the clock mod. Everyone want clocks? clocks for everybody. Look at this guy's skin. Okay, maybe there's a little drop bug. I'll have to fix that one up. Has everybody got one? Everybody got a clock? Let me know if you got. Let me know if you haven't got a clock. I got the majestic digital clock. Hey. Do you know the way? Everybody's like, do you know the way? That's what everybody's like, do you know the way? That way to the queen. That way to the queen. Rip. What's this? I got the punishment stick. I got the punishment stick. Want to see mine and Austin's house? Sure. Oh yeah, if you guys are, I'm kind of, yeah. If you guys are already building on this thing, I wouldn't be building on the server yet because yeah, as you know, someone lost all their items already. I feel like someone's building down here, like they're already doing survival mode. What's this here? Ah, it's like an automatic fishing. Auto fisher. Where's the house? Can't be too far. I suppose I create another portal. That looks interesting. Ooh. Oh god. Oh, there goes that. Where's the house? The server keeps saying restarting in 10 minutes. It hasn't even restarted at all. Oh, this one's gonna be good. Whoops. Well, rest in peace, cave. Rest in peace, cave. The village over here. Temple over here. Somebody gone to the temple already? No one has. Oh yeah, they have. Ah, they must have done it in survival mode. Cray found my desert temple. Since when did you own it? Someone said there's a house. TP. East crayfish. Jackson. TPO. Alright, don't destroy anything, guys. No destroying anything.
OMG, he totally takes me back. No way. Yes. What? I literally can't even.
I want to listen.
And he prays.
I want to listen.
OMG, he totally takes me back. No way. Yes. What?
And he prays. Oh my god.
I can't listen to it. Hey, put the TV back. Put TV.
OMG, he totally.
And he.
Oh my god.
OMG, he totally takes.
And he.
Got the TV. Well, I think I did. Oh well.
Welcome back.
Is
to
it back?
Cooking with the Cray. In the show today, I'm going to be
I gotta
showing
fix
you
up the
guys how to
sound
make
issue.
toast. Some people are
I
quite
can't
intimidated
put
when it comes to
headphones
making
on.
toast, but all you've really got to do.
I can't put headphones on. I don't want to stretch them either. Ugh. I'm out of there.
Welcome back to Cooking with the Cray. In the show today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make toast. Some people are quite intimidated when it comes to making toast, but all you've really got to do is stick your sliced bread into the toaster and then turn it on.
Oh, gee, he totally texted me.
And he
Can we dance to that song? Hold up.
and he prays.
Everybody dance. Ah, it needs to go for longer. It's a beautiful song. I tell you right now, it's a beautiful song.
OMG, he totally texted me.
And he
Storage room, pretty cool. He's got a diamond gear,
Welcome back to
dang.
Cooking with the Cray. In the show today, I'm going to be showing you guys
That block
how to
is
make
locked.
toast.
Oh, you can
Some
lock
people are
it.
quite intimidated when it comes
Ah,
to
how do you
making
lock
toast,
it?
but all you've really gotta do
Where's the
is
actual...
slice bread into the toaster,
Where's the entrance to
turn it
this?
on.
Oh, it's like a foreign... Oh, no, it's a world border. Oh. Smart. Oh, that's so smart. You can't even die. It's like guaranteed safety. Cray, I want a free clock. Alright, where are you? Jackson, please. Rip. Didn't I drop? Oh. There we go.
OMG, he totally texted me back. No way.
and he prays.
Where is it? There he is. I say, hey, what's going on? Best house ever.
OMG, he totally
He changed the color.
OMG, he totally texted me back.
And he prays.
OMG, he totally texted me.
And he
People are almost dead in here. People are almost dead in here. This is
Welcome
insane.
back to Cooking with the Cray. In the show today,
Nobody's got a
I'm gonna be
laptop
showing you
yet
guys
because you
how to
can't
make
craft
toast.
it.
Some people are quite intimidated when it comes to making toast, but all you've really got to do is stick your sliced bread into the toaster and then turn it on.
Well, rip TV. Look at the live chat. Well, I am looking. I've been popping in and out because my web browser keeps crashing. Did I miss anything? Not really. And we're on the server now testing out the actual mod. No one can pick up the light thing, so it's all good. Can't believe we can't do this. We don't have permission to do it. I think they're setting up permissions or something on the server. So we're gonna get that sorted out. Yeah, I don't know with the TV. Oh, I think I have it. Ah, there we go. put it back. I put it back. I would just avoid, because the problem is, like, I'm dishing out, the thing is I'm dishing out all these items in creative mode, which I don't want people to be able to get. And there's ways to, like, I don't know, Cray furnish my house. No, I can't do that. You have to furnish it yourself. You have to furnish it yourself. But I think that is going to end off day 2 of Mod Week. Thank you guys for coming along today. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, the clocks are stopped at the moment because the daylight thing is off. I can turn it back maybe. And I'll do it later. But thank you guys for coming to day 2 of Mod Week. Let's go ahead and switch over to this view. So I was in the Teletubby suit for this. Get this off. There we go. Off. Off. There we go. It's off now. Kind of. Thank you everybody coming to day 2 of Mod Week. I appreciate it. Today we created a digital clock, or the clock mod. I will be putting this up for download real soon, so you guys can actually download it, add it to your own world. It's a pretty simple mod, and again, I want to say I'm sorry for starting late in this live stream today. I think it was an hour and a half late, so I'm deeply sorry about that. It was my fault 100%, and I will make sure that it does not happen tomorrow. We're going to do shoutouts real quickly for you guys that retweeted over on Twitter. I didn't really say it, but I'm doing retweets over on Twitter. Let's go ahead, let's have a look. Profile. Alright, here we go. Going live. So retweets. So we had 8 retweets. Pokemaster, Billy Plays, Joseph1000, SB Fabi50, Omar115, Haunted Corpse, and Rainbow Kappa TV. I appreciate the retweets over there on Twitter. But that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3 of Mod Week. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying Mod Week so far. Let me know if you have. And I will see you guys later. Bye bye.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.